How to get Instacart batches faster. If you're an Instacart shopper and you're not receiving batches, there could be several reasons for this issue. Here are the common reasons why you might not be getting batches and some tips on how to get more. Sometimes, there may be a low demand for grocery deliveries in your area, which can result in fewer available batches. Consider checking other delivery apps or platforms for additional opportunities when Instacart is slow. If there are too many Instacart shoppers in your vicinity, competition for available batches can be fierce. Try to position yourself closer to stores and work during busy days and hours to increase your chances of receiving batches. Instacart uses shopper ratings to assign batches, and if your rating falls below 4.7, you may receive fewer batches. Focus on providing excellent service to customers to improve your ratings. You can refer to the Instacart Rating System Guide for more details. Your physical location can affect the batches you're offered. If you're too far away from stores, you may not receive batches. Ensure your location services are enabled for the Instacart Shopper app and position yourself closer to stores, ideally within a few miles. Reaching the Diamond Cart level in the CartStar Rewards program can grant you priority access to batches before other shoppers. Consider reaching the Diamond Cart level if you consistently shop with Instacart. Some shoppers may not receive certain batches because they are not approved for specific order types, for example, alcohol delivery, cooler bag deliveries. Check the Shopper app for options to get access to more batch types. Completing training videos may be required. Occasionally, Instacart may experience app outages, which can impact batch availability. Check websites like Down Detector or the Instacart Shopper subreddit to see if there are reports of outages. If the app is down, consider using an alternative delivery app. If none of the above reasons apply to your situation and you're still not receiving batches for an extended period, contact Instacart support to check if there's an issue with your account. Remember that while you can take steps to improve your chances of receiving batches, the demand for grocery delivery can fluctuate, and factors beyond your control may influence batch availability. Having backup apps and diversifying your gig work can help ensure a more stable income. I hope you found this video informative, and thanks for watching.